This is why locking tuners are important. And when you can get them nowadays for like 25 bucks from China, I mean, they're not the greatest ones. They're not going to have good ratios, and they're probably not going to hold tune well due to the gears slipping inside. But it'll be way better than your normal non-locking tuners that come on most guitars. So with a normal tuner, it just has an open hole here, and I've got it in normal mode right now. And so you'd put it in, and then you'd twist it around to lock it into place, and now it's locked and I can't grab it. But what happens is it's not perfectly straight. You see how there's like a gap here? Over time of playing and bending, that's going to loosen, and it's going to make your guitar go out of tune. So what you do with locking tuners, straighten this back out, the reason that these are so good is, oh shoot, you put the string in the little hole here, and then this thing at the bottom tightens up, and you really want to go on it. And now, no matter how hard I pull, you can't take it out. And this has the benefit of no matter what you do, the string is always going to stay in the same place because it's not wrapped around. So, yeah, that's why you got to get these. These are like the cheapest ones that I could find on Amazon. They just work really good from what I've read online. And another nice, not talked about benefit of these locking tuners is that you can take these off usually, because it's just a long little pin that goes in there and screws in, is that you can take that off and you can actually pack grease into here. And I plan on doing that with automotive grease, because automotive grease is designed to provide lubrication for like a long time and not have to be replaced that much. But yeah, and then that's why you get these. And the nice thing is that these are the standard Fender ones, so they fit on most guitars. They're good. Good for anyone who is tired of their guitar being out of tune all the time. They're especially nice if your guitar comes with really bad tuners. These are the Ibanez RG tuners from around the early 2000s and late 90s. They don't look too bad. They actually look kind of nice with this little whatever here. But if you notice here, this just looks like a shell. And you can pop this off, actually. You can pop this off. There you go. As you can see, very cheap mechanism. Really crappy worm gear with no protection for the bass. You can see that all the grease that you would pack into here would get on your guitar. And if I had my guitar right now, you can see where there's grease marks. It's really bad. So on top of them not being locking, these don't hold tune well because the pulling of the gears will also make it, over time, go loose as well. So yeah, just a bad design in general. You almost always want to go for the locking tuners because the cheapest set of locking tuners is going to be better than pretty much your most expensive type of regular tuner in almost every case. So yeah, if you're having tuning issues, you got to get these.